Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Bah Prestone tensong hak arpau trik nailar ulai Iakynduh markmat ya Pope Leo XIV hak jingalang bashimet ha Vatican. Bah Prestone udai ubaningkong na Meghalaya uban Iakynduh ya Pope Leo tang hapo laibnai hadien ba uni Rangba niam ula syakjid kum uklikdu jong kabalang Catholic bat ka Vatican City. Uni Menteri ka Jylla ula panru ya kyrkhu jong uni Rangba niam bahak likdu na kabenta ka Jylla Meghalaya. Ka Jylla Meghalaya kalong shisha kabala kyrkhu da ka jingdan ringkat unongelam jongka ubala yo ya kakabu ban Iakynduh ya Pope daladihi shimet. Hakani ka jinga keren ka banadu ka doknut Pope ula ya ka jingkyrkhu ka jong na kabenta Bah Prestone bat ya ka Jyllahi barok kawai. Ula mensiem bat penskam ya ka jingdon kam ban penroy ya ka jingsug bat ka jinga teli ha ka Jylla. Kani ka jing Iakynduh kalalong hakapor badangya keren syapang ka jinglong jingman jo ka Jylla Meghalaya hakaba usembut Menteri Rangba da ka jing sngorit ulapan ya ka jingkyrkhu na Pope ya ka Jylla Meghalaya. Pope ulaya ro ya ka jing persyang bak lem salia jong kitongelam san hima bat nongelam niam ka Meghalaya haka jing persyang bak lem sange ban telakam ya ka jing kibaladon lupa hapo ka Jylla.